今日同屋企人去旅行，去呢一個嘅 Sudbury。咁啊，附近嘅時候咧，我知道要4個鐘頭嘅。咁啊，諗住附近嘅時候停一停，食啲乜嘢啦。咁平時大家都知道啦，你哋都會食咩㗎？就會食呢個嘅麥當勞啫。但係今日小朋友話 Chick-fil-A， 佢話咩嚟㗎？聽都未聽過。佢話呢啲係美國嘅鋪頭。佢話平時我哋食得太多第二啲嘢，今日可以食一啲比較特別啲嘅。好，費事喺中間再嚟多一次。咁啊，小朋友話今日唔想食麥當勞，唔想食 Harvey's。小朋友話想食 Chick-fil-A， 我自己平時都未食過，咁啊都唔方平啦。但係有時就係想食一啲新鮮嘅嘢，特別係去旅行。咁而家我哋都係揸咗都未夠1個鐘頭，我哋係大約係12點42分開車嘅。咁而家都係點零鐘嘅啫。Chick-fil-A 就係咁嘅。Chick-fil-A 就係咁樣啦，都幾靚數。今日小朋友話嚟到呢個叫 Chick-fil-A， 原來咧係有帶位或者係自己可以買外賣嘅。咁呢張台啦，咁有呢個夾，咁呢個就係 menu 啦。咁咧，如果我 ready 嘅時候咧，就將呢個 menu 咧就擺上嚟，咁咧佢就會嚟同你 take order。咁咧，我就諗緊，哇！聽完 order 之後，咁要唔要俾小費咧？因為咧，我哋叫咗個 spicy deluxe 加埋呢個嘅 chicken fillet。咁咧，佢 come with 呢個 medium waffle fries 嘅。咁因為佢話咧，呢個嘅 medium waffle fries 係比較出名啲，咁啊，所以我諗住嚟試下。咁都 make sense 嘅，因為冇理由次次都去食麥當勞啊，或者係 Harvey's 啊，或者係 Burger King 嘅。即係出到嚟旅行咧，可以食啲唔同嘅嘢，同埋好搞笑嘅。對我嚟講，係入到嚟門口，再講一次，佢問你要唔要坐，然後有人帶你坐嘅，而家咁樣。其實呢個 restaurant， 但係我覺得係 fast food 咁樣。咁啊，呢個叫做 Chick-fil-A， 大家可以試一試嘅。因為咧，我係行404。然後就出 Davis Road， 咁啊當然轉左啦。咁第一個 Plaza 喺左手邊就見到㗎啦。咁啊一陣間嚟到之後，再研究一下好唔好食。啲嘢食嚟咗啦，而家開去睇一睇。啲價錢咧都係10零蚊，同埋麥當勞嗰啲差唔多。同埋呢個就係我小朋友話嘅 Waffle Fries， 係好出名嘅。佢話咁啊樣唔同啫，試一試先。呢個係乜嘢 burger 嚟嘅？Spicy Deluxe， 你可唔可以開睇睇入邊啊？其實 take a look on Spicy Deluxe， 佢啲炸雞呢個樣都唔似我哋平時麥當勞啊，或者係一啲 Harvey's 嘅。OK，thank you。咁啊個 French fry 幾得意喎，有自己嘅 sauce。我呢個就係普通嘅，regular 普通嘅。而家其實咧，我哋係揸咗幾耐咧？我諗都半個鐘頭左右嘅咋。咁啊404。咁就出 Davis， 然後就轉左，咁啊行400，但係轉左之後咧，第一個 Plaza 喺左手邊，喺右手邊咧，你就見到呢一個嘅 Chick-fil-A 噶啦。如果你哋未試過嘅話咧，我都係可以 recommend 你哋試下嘅，因為我啱啱食完咧，招呼好，價錢同麥當勞一樣，即係唔係話佢唔好啊，即係唔係話麥當勞啊 Wendy's 唔好，係價錢一樣嘅 combo， 都係10零蚊。入到去咧，佢就問你坐位定係買外賣。然後咧坐位嘅話咧，有嘅 server 就帶你坐位，然後之後你就去 order， 咁然後咧係冇小費，即係我以為要俾小費，咁同埋咧啲包都好好食喎，好新鮮。咁呢個就係我哋今日去旅行嘅第一餐，咁啊想介紹俾大家，因為我自己好少見，咁可能你哋會覺得 OK 啦，不過希望你哋大家唔好介意，同大家分享一下啫。頭先係陽光普照，而家繼續向前行，咁啊之後就轉400就直上。話天氣突然之間咧就變咗非常之陰暗啊，可能有機會落雨啊。大致上咧，我哋幾多點會去到咧？5點41分，即係6點鐘。咁啊，住酒店就差唔多噶啦。終於落大雨啦，去到而家係大約2點20分。嚟到 ski 嘅場地啊！Mount St. Louis Road， 咁啊，大家見到左手邊一個就係個 Mount St. Louis Ski Resort。 錯，揸住呢架車咧都係33900米左右嘅咋。2019年嘅車，因為 Covid 咁啊，諗住咧今次呢個嘅 long trip 咧就揸住個米數低嘅車，好似安全啲。時間依然都係去到5點嘅41分先到達目的地嘅。呢個酒店咧就係叫做 Radisson on Sudbury， 咁啊其實係85號 N Street， 聖 N Street。咁啊有冇留意到呢個地方好特別嘅？呢個地方咧，呢間酒店啊，比我年紀更大，50年以上。你講得冇錯，聽得冇錯，50年以上。佢係同個 mall 咧係 connect 嘅。咁我就問，哇，點解咁奇怪？佢因為嗰陣時候咧，比較平啊，同埋咧呢間酒店喺呢個 Sudbury 區咧係已經最大年紀㗎啦。咁所以如果你諗住係買 modern 嗰啲或者租 modern 嗰啲咧，你唔好揀呢間。但呢間有啲咩好咧？係因為同個 mall connect 咗，你可以去個 mall 度行。記住喎，可以去到 mall 度行，同埋個游水池咧係最大嘅喺 Ontario， 仲有包埋早餐。咁但係早餐好唔好食咧？嗱，記住早餐好唔好食係另外一回事，但係咧就成嚿嘢個 package 就咁啦。咁所以大家如果可以諗下，有好多小朋友啊，或者想行下 mall 嘅話咧，咁呢個都係唔錯選擇。因為其實你諗住下嚟到 Sudbury 做啲乜嘢啫？真心講句，嚟到 Sudbury 都係為咗 Science North同埋 Dynamic Earth 啫，係咪先？即係如果唔係，你唔會揸4個鐘頭嚟呢度嘅。咁所以我想俾大家睇一睇呢一間酒店點解我哋會揀，就係咁嘅原因啦。就係因為佢包早餐，又有游水池，咁同埋咧佢個 mall 係 connect 嘅，戲院都喺側邊啊。咁所以咧，我覺得都係唔錯嘅選擇嚟嘅。就係我哋食早餐嘅地方 ，Pesto 係包埋嘅。聽朝早咧6點半到9點半就係食早餐。呢個係 full service restaurant， 洗手間 Radisson 都唔錯 so far。呢度咧就係去呢一個嘅 shopping mall， 冇錯，呢度係可以去 shopping mall 嘅。大堂係咁樣。商場咧就閂咗門㗎啦，咁啊大約閂7點鐘左右。咁咁啱咧呢度亦都有間 gym 啦，咁啊通常啲人去完 gym 之後咧就會過嚟呢個 Harvey 食嘢嘅。Harvey 就係閂8點，咁呢商場我相信比較舊啲，咁啊唔可以同我哋嘅多倫多相比啦。咁同埋我哋住嗰個區咧，或者一間酒店就叫 Radisson。咁其實 Radisson 咧，我反而覺得佢係似Conference Centre， 因為有好多咧都係俾人哋做 conference 啊，或者有間房咧係有啲電腦啊，甚至乎係有 printer 嘅。咁我覺得係做生意為主。咁然後咧，佢有間餐廳，就係聽日我哋免費就係食呢個嘅自助餐叫 Pesto。咁但係入邊都幾貴嘅，差唔多成30蚊一個人。咁你有3-4個人，差唔多成100幾蚊㗎啦。咁我哋梗係慳錢啦，就去咗 Harvey's。咁加埋都係30蚊左右，全部喎。有時去旅行咧，都希望要諗下點樣慳錢為主。但係間酒店我覺得係 OK 嘅。我諗住話，免費早餐，其實咪羊毛出在羊身上，係咪先？個泳池都好大嘅，但係入邊啲嘢比較舊啲，咁啊，所以咧即係睇下你點選擇啦。但係呢一區咧，去呢個嘅 Science North 或者係Dynamic Earth 咧，都比較近啲嘅，即係比較 centralized 啦。咁同埋呢個商場就喺附近，即係隔離嘅直情。即係如果你冇嘢做嘅話，可以行下商場。同埋最好咧有個 theatre， 咁咧我哋就買一張飛，聽晚睇嘅。就星期2啊嘛，咁啊大約係價錢係10蚊左右。如果唔係嘅話咧，應該係14蚊啊。因為呢個 theatre 就叫做 Imagine Theatre。咁同埋咧，我哋睇 The Odyssey， 佢後面寫住 XPA。咁以我所知就可能叫做 Extreme 或者係叫 Large Format， 一啲嘅比較大少少嘅 screen，Premium Screen。因為我覺得有啲朋友同我講咧，我睇呢套戲咧係需要大 screen 睇先好睇嘅。咁所以如果你哋係未睇，咁啊如果第時喺出邊無論你係邊一間戲院咧，見到有啲 XPA 嘅話，就揀一個，就唔好揀 regular。咁我相信 regular 嘅 screen 就比較細啲咯。咁究竟呢個好唔好食呢個早餐免費，即係包埋嘅？聽日話俾大家聽。咁而家通常都冇咩做㗎啦，嚟到7點零8點都係翻屋企沖涼瞓覺咁樣。聽日就可以去呢個嘅 Science North。咁啊，聽日唔係，聽日去 Dynamic Earth， 之後去到 Science North， 咁啊星期4就翻嚟啦。今日揸咗4個零5個鐘，都唔係話好遠啊，即係唔感覺到好遠。因為第一餐就食咗呢一個嘅 Chicken Fillet 啦，咁啊小朋友話俾我聽嘅，我覺得好好食。咁啊同埋未試過。咁第二餐就啱啱啦，就食咗 Harvey's， 咁啊慳啲平啲。咁聽日究竟食乜嘢咧？就同大家報告啊，聽日見。 好啦，而家呢個 mall 咧已經閂咗門㗎啦。點解咧？因為呢個商場咧，大約係7點鐘就閂門。咁仲有邊一間係開嘅咧？剩翻一間開嘅啫。嗰一間咧就係 Harvey's 啦。呢個就係戲院啦。呢個就係酒店啊，翻酒店房嗰度啦，嗰個 hallway。喺酒店入邊咧，咁多間都幾大嘅一個泳池，大家睇一睇，佢唔細嘅喎。我諗緊會唔會因為呢個係一個 business centre 啦，即係呢間酒店，咁所以個泳池都做大啲咧咁樣。好，而家就係禮拜2嘅早上食早餐。呢個地方咧真係比較舊啲嘅，就算啲房入邊咧啲牆腳咧都比較污糟啲嘅，但係可能佢歷史好耐啦。咁咧早餐咧係包埋嘅，大致上我覺得都 OK。早餐咧就係咁樣嘅，有一啲 cereal， 有啲 scrambled eggs， 有啲 fries 啊，有啲 sausage， 生果啊，同埋一啲嘅 yogurt， 麵包嘅就唔可以少啦，係咪？咁有muffin 添啊，有 bagel。咁呢個咧就係自己自助嘅 waffle 啦，咁啊好簡單嘅啫。呢個機咁啊攞個杯，咁啊倒一啲 batter， 咁啊用呢部機就好似我哋整雞蛋仔咁樣。某個程度咧，其實呢個 breakfast 有 waffle 啦、咖啡啦、juice 啦、sausage 啊、蛋啊等等等等，但係唔好忘記喎，羊毛出在羊身上嚇。今日我哋就嚟邊度咧 ？Dynamic Earth。呢度就係 Dynamic Earth 嘅少少 cafeteria。呢度係一啲 mining 嘅地方為主嘅 ，more for sightseeing。同埋咧，今日我哋去呢個咧就叫做 Next Generation， 係用咗8到9年嘅時間做咗呢個地洞出嚟，然後先到我哋可以參加呢一個 tour。點解咧？因為佢都要有個地洞開咗，同埋好多新嘅儀器，係講緊而家 modern 嘅，所以好多個儀器係好大，機器好大，所以我冇參加到另外一個舊嗰個 legacy 佢已經做咗成10幾20年㗎啦，咁就係比較細啲嘅，落到地底。而家呢個 next generation 係比較新啲嘅，咁就係俾啲人啱啱7月開嘅咋，咁所以我覺得我就冇揀 legacy， 我就揀呢個嘅比較係新啲嘅一個嘅 tour 去睇。全部咧呢一個嘅 Dynamic Earth 咧都係同一啲 mining 啊、crystal 啊、石頭有關係嘅。
Technology. So things like this iPad here, or this phone, or this radio are different ways that we can communicate with people above ground here at Dynamic Earth, but also underground, so that we can stay connected to everybody. Another example of this would be this tag in and out board over here. While ours just uses pieces of plastic that we move over to tell where people are going underground, in modern mines they'll have something.
21 meters， 21米，我哋啱啱喺樓上跌落嚟，啊唔係跌落嚟啊，係個 lift 啊，我哋喺樓上落嚟21米，嚟到呢度咧 ，it's a little bit cold， 有少少凍，嚟到凍月啦，而家我哋。開始攞 helmet。
We will also have a time that you can do some pictures with some of the machines that we have, but I'll let you know when that is. This goes over mesh and bolts so that we can be very safe when we are here underground. At its biggest, it will be 4.5 meters by 4.5 meters so that we can actually get active equipment.
落到嚟呢度咧都幾凍嘅，要戴晒頭盔啊，in case 有啲嘢發生。咁啊，我諗呢度大約15度左右啦。
Diesel to be able to operate, which is very helpful underground because diesel is pretty bad for the environment. Diesel also, when it is running, will make it a lot warmer underground, which if you are much lower than we are, even though it seems very cold, the farther you go, the more warm it's going to be. So this would be helpful. 400萬呢個機器係400萬，4 million。
再講一次，佢要轉咗呢個地洞出嚟，先可以做到呢個 tour 俾我哋嘅。
But really, all you need to know from that is that it is a local dump, which means that it takes a bunch of ore, loads it, hauls it, and then dumps it. So it can take about 15 tons within here. That's a lot of ore that will be moving every single day. This one here, though, has 16,000 hours of work, and so it has retired here to stay with us here at Dynamic Earth. But this is also an example of an autonomous vehicle, which means that there doesn't need to be a person actually operating it either from within the machine or above ground, since it would work on a program. So it would mean that it has its own safety features, such as fire suppression, but if somebody was also to be driving it for whatever reason, something wasn't programmed and they only needed to do it once, they would have something called fatigue monitoring.
Going back a little further in time, the next major milestone is a period we now call the Ice Age.
呢個 planning 咧係用咗8到9年嘅時間咧，就整咗呢個 tunnel 出嚟㗎。咁點解咁耐咧？係因為你要通過政府啦，又有 funding 啦，又有冇其他嘅 permit 咧，等等等等嘅。咁但係咧個 blast 咧，大約係我諗係 recently， 我諗係6個月左右啦。因為呢個地方係7月先開嘅。咁啊，同埋個窿咧，你見到個 tunnel 咧係比 Legacy 嗰個咧係大好多嘅。咁 Legacy 嗰個佢差唔多 run 咗成20年，同埋以前咧啲人係矮啲、瘦啲。機器都冇咁大嘅，所以你見唔到咁大。其實見到機器成400萬，所以而家今日我哋呢個窿啊，呢個 tunnel 咧係咁大嘅原因係for今時今日呢個年代係一定要做咁大先可以 fit 到一啲新嘅儀器。以前咧嗰個咧，我記得我10幾20年前去嗰個咧就細啲嘅、矮啲嘅，因為人手啊、機器啊都係冇咁大。咁所以如果你問我係參加 Legacy 或者係參加呢個嘅 Exchange 嘅話咧，我覺得兩個都有佢可睇之處，時間係一樣嘅。落到呢個地底都係21米，只不過係唔同嘅通道啫，所以咧係悉隨尊便。對我嚟講咧，我依然記得一個，所以頭先我就問嗰個小姐咧，嗰個女仔咧，佢話：誒點解好似好短一個旅程？佢話唔係，其實一樣嘅，只不過有啲嘢咧係一路睇一路講，咁啊係唔同嘅通道。咁所以如果大家係未嚟過呢度嘅話咧，可以選擇試下 Legacy 或者 X Generation 嘅呢個 tour。再睇多次 before 我哋走啊，睇下幾大。 現成嘅機器先可以做到，所以點解要用咁耐嘅時間去 plan 同埋去搞，同埋要找好多呢啲咁嘢咧？咁啊驚啲石頭會跌落嚟嘅。如果你冇小朋友嘅話咧，我諗大致上咧嚟呢個嘅 Dynamic Earth 咧，過2個鐘頭係 maximum 頂籠。因為小朋友可能會玩耐啲、睇耐啲。咁如果你大朋友嘅話咧，其實都同西斯唔差唔多嘅啫。咁而家我後邊咧就比較多人啦，因為好多 family 啊嚟咗。因為而家到12點，我哋嗰個咧係11:15嘅。咁而家已經差唔多完成咗一大半㗎啦。咁我哋落去咧就整石頭，整完石頭之後咧，咁我哋就可以去食 lunch，咁啊就可以翻酒店㗎啦。我哋做啲咩咧？我哋而家自己磨石啊，磨完之後就可以攞翻屋企噶啦。哇！喺呢個世界上咧，有啲乜嘢會比較多啲咧？我覺得除咗 Dollarama 之外咧，越南粉啊都唔少啊！咁啊啱啱咧就去完呢一個嘅 Dynamic Earth， 咁啊上去呢個嘅叫做 Respect in Burning Kitchen， 咁有啲人話就好好食嘅，但係點知咧佢冇開啊，係開4點到10點，咁所以咧喺附近咧我就揾到呢一間越南餐啦，叫 Pho Viet Delight。咁陣間食完之後，同大家講一講究竟好唔好食啊嗱！間越南餐幾得意喎，個鋪頭係咁樣嘅 ，open bar， 洗手間喺樓上，好似 club 咁樣。廚房啦，細間。呢個係我哋叫嘅 PVO1 XL Large 呢度大概係27蚊，通常一碗粉係19蚊左右啦。然後我就叫咗呢一碗春卷咧，個炸肉咧都唔係我平時食開嗰隻嘅，即係見到嗰個皮咧係有少少唔同，所以我哋就冇叫到啦。嚟到呢一個區食嘢咧，呢碗粉得幾嚿，係20蚊。當然咧唔可以要求太多，但係有點而過分。試下好唔好食先。而家去戲院啦，長長嘅走廊。呢個就係商場啦， 哇！好多人排隊啊！呢度咧個戲院好細啊，咁啊所以咧嗰個 food court 啊或者 concession 咧非常之唔係咁多人，咁從來未試過。我前面應該有成30個人要排隊就係買嘢食。呢度就係 Sudbury 嘅 Imagine Theatre， 呢度都 screen 都幾大嘅，啲凳咧可能同我哋都唔同嘅 set up， 同埋呢個 space 咧好大啊 ，screen 都 OK。今日睇咗 The Odyssey， 大 screen 好音響。個戲院其實得咁大嘅啫，大堂呢度啦，然後咧行返出去，然後咧就 connect 返酒店，出到門。